time for an easy bedroom upgrade. Hi, I'm Gregory from Koiman. Let's brighten the bath with some easy DIYs. To help get the job done, my guest DIYers are Kaya and Mike.
Thanks, Gregory.
You're so ready to refresh our bathroom?
Let's do this! Step 1. Give the bathroom a really deep clean. If you're replacing any fixtures, remove them before cleaning. Cleaning the tiles and grout will really make things pop.
Spray the tiles and let it sit. Make sure to give the ground a good scrub.
Koiman has everything you need to get the job done.
It's looking better already.
Step 2. Time to give your walls some personality.
We're going to add some color to the walls.
And install wall panels.
Koiman has all the paint colors and supplies you need.
Organize your supplies. Tape everything off well.
Don't forget to use a primer coat first. Ask your Koiman paint expert for any help. At Koiman, you'll find the perfect color for your project.
Love it. Love it.
The wall panels are super easy to install. Just measure, cut, peel, and place.
We're going for an easy, affordable option for the wall. 2 small DIYs, big difference.
Step 3. Let's upgrade any bathroom fixtures. Check out the Koiman Bath Department for everything you need.
New vanities with mirrors and new lights.
And a new shower.
Step 4. Bringing some style and mood to the space.
Now we're gonna add some nice touches. There were so many great options that fit our style. We got it all at Koiman.
That's a Koiman DIY easy bedroom upgrade.
A total transformation.
We hope that this guide has been helpful. Be sure to visit Koiman in-store or online for more ideas and inspiration. See you next time!